Alrighty, here we go. We 3:52 in the AM. Okay, and we're back at it. I just couldn't sleep, y'all. Okay. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and finish up. We'll start another tutorial for the Andromo AI App Builder. And in this one, we're gonna continue with a couple of apps. Actually, an app with a simple build. Okay, and this mindful mood tracker. Okay, that we created this a few hours ago. So anyway, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this prompt. I'm going to put it into Chat GPT and see if we can come up with a better prompt. And we're going to use that better prompt and use it in the Andromo AI App Builder. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Copy it. Let's go to Chat GPT. And where my list of, oh yeah, this is the original list here. Okay. And this is shown in the previous videos, of course, but the one I used was create a mood tracker. Okay. With emoji selection and daily history view. Now, this is what I'm going to do with that. Let's see. And I could put this whole project in my Andromo folder, which is what I'm going to do. Okay. So let's open up my Andromo app folder, and I'm going to add Andromo app builder prompts. So I know where it is. Let's add that over there. Andromo app builder prompts is in. Where is it? Where did it go? Okay, I guess it's in there. All right. Oh, there it is right there. Okay, Andromo app builder prompts. Okay. So what I'm going to do, branch from this one. Okay. What I'm going to say is, excuse me, what I'm going to say is improve my prompt. Move this out the way. I'll hide it. Okay. Improve my prompt to build a complete app. How about that? Improve this prompt. Improve this prompt to build a complete app. How about that? Let's try it. In the Andromo AI App Builder. And you know what? I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Let's see. Let me go to, let's see, open up a tab. And I want the Andromo App Builder. Just so ChatGPT knows what it looks like. Okay. So, yeah. Here we go. Need to see my, where's it at? That's strange. It's not there now. Okay, I know it's there somewhere. That's not it. Those are the old ones. Wait a minute. What's going on? Um, Mindful mood tracker. Okay, let's go with that. Mindful mood tracker. Mindful. Search. Huh. Well, it's obviously like built, but all right. That's interesting. It is not showing up. Interesting. Okay. Well, this is what we're gonna do. Just go back here. We had a slight snag in the process here, but I'm just gonna just grab this. I just make a screenshot right here. Okay. Let's grab it. Okay. Just so it sees that this is the Andromo app builder. Okay. And let's save it. Okay, and put it in desktop. And Andromo. Okay. Andromo builder. Andromo builder. Okay. All right. So let's save that there. Go back to Chat GPT and let's add this screenshot. Because I just wanted to see an example of how the new Andromo AI builder looks. There it goes. Improve this prompt to build a complete app inside, in the Andromo AI app builder. See, screenshot for reference. Okay. Let's do it like that. Let's try and see what we get. Control app building tool, Andromo AI complete polished app instead of a simple demo. There we go. Okay. So we're going to put this upgraded Andromo AI builder inside of the Andromo AI builder. And this upgraded prompt, that is. Okay. All right. Look at that. All right. That's one way to skin a cat or skin a horse or however the saying goes. I don't know if y'all know what I mean or not. I'm old school. Yeah, there's more than one way to skin a cat. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Just something my mama used to say. Okay. Now. All right, here we go. Let's put it inside here, see what we do. We big time now. Let's see. Build a new app. Okay. Here we go. Let's enter that prompt in there. And let's go. Okay. And also, we're going to build this inside of, we're going to make a Chat GPT version. Okay. Yeah. That's what we're going to do. Watch out. Okay. So we're going to go to LM Studio, LM Arena. Let's open up a new tab, Ella Marina. And I'm going to use ChatGPT and Claude. And just to update everyone, Claude seems to be the big dog now, replacing ChatGPT. Who would have thought? But yeah, I've been keeping up on AI, and they're saying this in YouTube, everybody's dissing or uninstalling or not using ChatGPT or replacing ChatGPT with Claude. So I don't know how that's going, but yeah, the top AI influencers actually they're saying this. Yep. Okay. And so we're gonna pause the video for a minute, let it build. Okay, and while Andromo AI is building, going to take a quick sponsor break. I want to show you my prompts that I've created. This is free app builder prompts. Okay, this is the product for this. Get 5 free app builder prompts. Okay, you can get this on Gumroad. Free, absolutely free. Okay. Now, if you become an affiliate, I'm sorry, not an affiliate, but if you sign up under my link, you're going to get a 50 prompt bonus also. Okay. But in case you're not ready to start with Andromo, you can get this free prompts, 5 free prompts here for Andromo and web view creators. Okay. And this is my 50 prompt pack pro version. It's only $17, but you get completely built out prompts. Okay. So that one. And also, here's my 200 app prompt pro pack. If you sign up with Andromo and you get the 50 free ones, you can get the upgrade of 200 more for $7. Okay. So that's how that looks. Okay. So the links are above there. I'll put them in the description somewhere of this video too. Okay. But yeah, just want to show that real quick. And let's check on our build. Okay. And we got a hard task right here. Okay. But it's chugging along. Had an unexpected stop here. I'm going to put this in Ella Marina too. As a matter of fact, what's that? Go ahead and put it in right now, but I want to let Andromo finish. So we're going to pause the video and let it finish building. Okay, and we're still building out here. Okay, so while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and put this prompt into Ella Marina. And I'm going to choose two. I'm going to choose ChatGPT and Claude. Okay, so we're in Ella Marina. And let's see, ChatGPT. Let me search it. All right, the latest. I can do the latest. 5.2. Okay, 5.3. Look at that. But that's probably an experimental mode. So let's just go with 2. Okay. And Chat 5.2, the latest, and Grok. Not Grok, but Claude. Let's see, Claude. That would be the latest one, I'm guessing. 4.5. Yeah, let's go with that one. Okay, so we got Chat GPT and Claude. Okay, and we want coding, build apps and websites, right? So let's go with it. And let's go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry, I got to log in. Let me log in real quick. Um, let's see. Nah. All right, let me pause and log in real quick. Okay, so I got the top code models, I'm guessing, for ChatGPT and um, Claude. So anyway, enter that in, and let's go ahead and see what we get. Okay. For some reason, it wouldn't do ChatGPT 5.2. But anyway, let's check out build. Okay, and are we still building or no? I think we're finished. And it's still okay, still building. Sorry. Okay. So pulling in a lot of gigabytes now. Okay. And look like it's gonna finish up. All right, looking good, looking good. Okay. All right. And it's done. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up again. Let me pause video. Okay, so let's go back, enter the code in, and this is our app. Now, as we can see from the previous version, it added a few. Did it add a few more? I think it did. Or that the same amount? It might be the same amount. Okay, same amount of emojis. This is what I'm saying. Okay. But yeah, so it did the same uh sign up process as the last app we did. So let's just go ahead and see what happens. Okay, note mindful. Okay. And what's contributed to this feeling? Happiness. Happiness. Okay. Say reflection. Okay. Did it save? Let's make this large here. Okay. History. Okay. Calendar. Okay. So it added a calendar, but it's for development only. Okay. So let's go back and see, refresh. Okay. So it has basically the same thing as the first one. Okay. You got your theme from light to dark theme. Okay. Sign out. And that can be fixed. You just have to, matter of fact, I should test it out. Matter of fact, I'm going to test it out. Please fix the sign out button. Okay. Sign out button is not showing. Okay. How about that? Please fix the issue. This is what you do with other app builders, AI app builders. Just list the issue. Please fix the sign out button. Text is not showing. Yeah, I just say that. Please fix issue. Okay. Please fix issue with sign out. Sign in, sign out. Sign in. Sign in. Out button. Text not showing. Not showing. and let's see what it does. It should fix it. So we're putting it to the test right now. We're treating it like the big boys. Okay? We're treating it like the big boys now. Okay? So I'll fix it. Okay? Good. Deep debugging. Okay? I'll fix the sign out button. Text visibility issue right away. Okay? So there we go. So this is what you all are gonna have to do sometimes in your AI app building adventures. Okay? You got to do this a lot actually until you get it right. But it seems Andromo AI is working to address issues just like the other app builders are. Okay, we're going to check on LM Arena in a second. But let's see. Going to let it do its thing. Performance fixing. Okay. And we're watching this in real time. Okay. And I'm going to send these videos to the development team so they can see exactly what's going on. Okay. And there it's fixed. Okay. All right. Now, you know something I want to do? Matter of fact, I am going to do it. I'm going to add multiple languages. I just thought of that. So I'm going to pause the video and find my file. It's to save time. I'm going to add multiple languages. Okay, I found it. Okay, so now we're going to add multiple languages. Okay, so let it complete fixing the error. Okay, it's fixing the error. And we're going to add a multiple language toggle. And I forgot, I'm going to implement this in all of my apps. And actually, I do have it in a few of my Bible apps, but I will be implementing this. Okay, so we're going to add multiple languages. Okay. Okay, just let it continue building. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. And it's building out a complete language. Okay. Debugging, session successfully resolved, sign out button visible. Okay. All right. Now, guess what we're going to do now? We're going to add that multiple language toggle switch. Okay. Add multiple language selector in the top right corner, supporting English, Spanish, French, German, Chinese. Yep. All right. So that's the prompt I'm using. So let's go ahead and implement that. And that's going to probably be a while. So while it's doing that, yeah, we're going to check on the LM Arena. So here's Claude. Okay. Here's Claude's. Okay. And I need to make let's see, description for this. Okay. So I can add some notes here. Andromo AI Builder. Okay. Simple as that. All right. Because I'm going to get these links from all of the links, actually. Okay. Except for Andromo, it's not publishing, but I'll get my links from my other ones. Okay. Let's see. Copy URL. Let's do that now. This is a mood tracker app. Okay. Okay, picking it back up again. Okay. So we adding the multi-language toggle. Okay, and still adding it. So, but anyway, we're at the LM Marina. Okay, I got that link. That's this is Claude's version. Okay, this is ChatGPT's version. No, that's ChatGPT's version. This is Claude's version. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, and let's get that URL. Let me paste that up here. Okay. So it's to compare the two. So here we go. This is let's see, Claude's. Okay, Claude's, right? Yeah. Okay, Claude's. How you feeling? Okay. And let's just say, not confused. Don't like to use words like that. Anxious. Testing, because what happened today? Write about your day, thoughts, and feelings. Testing the Andromo AI app. So anxious. So happy. How about that? Okay. So save mode. All right. And there we go. Look at that streak. Okay. Look at that. That looks much better. Now this is Claude. Okay. Keep in mind this is Claude. Okay. Yep. So let's go to Chat GPT. Happy. Okay. Save today's mood. Okay. Current streak 1. Okay. And it looks good. Okay. All righty. Now I would have to say Claude hands down has a beat. So we're going to go with let's see, Claude Sonic. B is better. Okay. All right. Like I said, Claude is on the move. Just check the news. But anyway, let's go back to Andromo. Oh, you know what? Since I'm here, let's add the multi-language switch again. Okay. Let's see if it'll work on LM Studio. This is something I've never tried actually. But let's try that. Multi-language toggle. Let's see. It says ask a follow-up, so let's see what's going on. Okay. Oh, token usage limit. Yeah, they're starting to crack down on that, man. Okay. But anyway, we're good. Okay. So anyway, let's go back to multi-language selector. There it is right there. English, Espanol. Okay. And this happens a lot. So what I have to do, and it happens so much that I actually have it on my language selector file. I already, because it's going to happen. It's going to happen. Language selection not working. So that's what I have to put in there every time. Okay. And actually, yeah. So it happens so much that I just put it here. Okay. So language selection not working. For example, when I select Spanish, the website app still displays English. Okay. So that's just an example. Okay. Let's put it in here. All right. So let's see if it fixes it. Yep. Because see, the whole website didn't change. Nothing changed. So let's go ahead and see if it'll fix it. We're going to pause the video, let it fix it. You know what? I decided to leave it running because this may help the development team when they're looking at the debugging right here. So I'm going to leave it. Okay. and we're 30 minutes in. But yeah, that looks good though. It really does. I can give it a thumbs up actually. Okay. So let it continue doing its thing. Okay. Doing its fix. And so, yep. Gonna wait and let it do its thing. Okay. Um, yep. All right. Looking good. Looking good. And what I'm gonna do, I do have I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if I can log in under another account for this. Let's see. Oops. Don't want to do that. Okay. Right there. Let me see something. Let's go with log out. So we're doing something else here. Log in. Okay. And okay. Let's try that. Let's go to battle mode. Try something different. What would you like to build? UI, dashboard, I don't know which one, but I'm just going to put this in. Okay. And I should add a language. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there. Let's see. Add a language. Okay. What did I do? I didn't mean to do that. But just let it build. Okay. So we're going back. Look at that. All right, looking good. English. There we go. So it completed the fix. Okay. French. Okay, looking good. Okay. So Andromo AI is passing the test. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. It's still running. It's still working on it. Don't like to do that while it's still working on it, but it's yeah. Okay. So let it finish doing its thing. Okay. And let's go back to Ellen Marina. Okay. All righty. And once again, real quick, just another promo plug. 200 apps. Okay. Build faster, smarter, more profitable without guessing what to create. And this is my product. Yeah. So anyway, sign up and unlock. Yeah. So you have to sign up for Andromo. Okay. It's going to take you there. Okay. Once you sign up, you can go ahead and take the steps to go ahead and get that that product. Okay. Yep. Here's where you get 50 more through my Andromo link. Okay. So they're going to take you to that screen and so on. But anyway, yep. Okay. Okay. And this for 50. These prompts are ready to go out the box. Okay. And you can read that there. Get this prompt free when you sign up through my affiliate link. Okay. So there it is again. Okay. And let's see. Yep. All righty. Okay, let's see where we're at. Okay, still completing it, but I like that. Just making sure it's done right. Okay, so with the LM Arena, okay, got our two options there. Okay, so let's look at this one. Some in the calm mode. Okay, I'm in the calm mode. Okay, log your mode saved. Okay, now one thing with building them with LM Arena, and actually I didn't even include Lovable on this one, but with LM Arena, it didn't ask for an email address and sign up and everything. So that could be an advantage or disadvantage. Actually, it's a good thing because a lot of times people don't like to delete their emails, and I don't pressure anybody to do that. But let's go to option B. Oh, option B is still building. Okay, sorry. Yeah, and we're gonna put this prompt in Lovable too. Okay, since we're doing it. Oh, okay. Refresh. Oh boy. I don't know if it's finished or not. I may have stopped the process, but we're gonna put this in Lovable. Okay, and Lovable. Okay, and yep, the debugging session successfully resolved the language selector issue. Okay, and it's asking for that again. Okay, so we're gonna take a pause on that and just go to Lovable real quick. We're gonna get back to it. So let's go to Lovable. Lovable. Actually, I can put on this. Let's see. Let's go back to the incognito. Lovable. Lovable AI. Okay. And see, let's log in. Okay. Pause this video. Okay. Now we're starting up again, and we are on Lovable. So, like I said, these are the templates. You know, if you don't know how Lovable works, this is how it works. This is their templates, whatever. But we're going to go ahead and build it out. A mood tracker. Okay. And we can enable notification. Okay. So Lovable is going to work. Okay. So now let's do this again. Okay, and actually what I did, it let me log in. Okay, so there we go. All right, so let's check out the languages again. And they are working. Okay. Okay. Ooh, wait a minute. Let me go back to English. But it does work. Let's try it in another language anyway. Let's go Espanol. Okay, sad. Uh, yep. Okay. Now, historical calendar. The calendar's working. Okay. And needs more data. Okay. So log a few more days. Okay. So it is working. This is a tracker for uh, Andromo AI. Okay. So I'm gonna let Lovable build it, and then we're probably going to end this video. This is going to the development team at Andromo AI, so they can see, get more information about their app. Okay, and that's the code, of course. The preview mode. Okay, that's it. Okay, now, and then wrapping it up. Okay, here is Lovable's version. Okay, and here is Andromo's AI version. Okay. Okay, Lovable and Andromo AI. Now, what I'm going to do, just to see how, I want to point out that difference. Now, with Andromo, this is for the development team. I'm sorry, with Lovable, as you can see, and this is for the development team, sorry, they have extras that you can add on to the app. Okay, as you can see there. And Google AI has this also. Google AI Studio has it. Okay. So here, add search history. Actually, that's on there already. Calendar and so forth. But yeah. Um, and so what I'm going to do, just to test it, I'm going to add multiple languages. No, I'm not going to do it. Not right now. But just let the development team know that uh, the AI developers have the extras they can add on to it. Okay. Extra features. Andromo AI doesn't have the extra features. Okay, so development team, that's something you may want to look into. Okay. Matter of fact, I can write it on there. Let's see. Okay, wait a minute. Come on. It's not working. Try it again. Needs to have more added features after the build is complete. Okay, send feedback. Okay. So, yep. So there we go. Yeah, we're going to wrap it up with this. Thanks for watching. Take care.